The Kudumari waterfalls is also known as the Chaktikal waterfall, located in a deep forest. This is the starting point of the trek. I see a couple of houses here. Not couple, just few. Need to start trekking through the farm and then into the forest. Trekking through the private estates for a few meters and then entering into the dense forest. Oh, this is my home. The trek route is very dangerous during the monsoon, as the water level would be higher, causing difficulties, and also millions of leeches which can spread across our bodies. The huge tree has fallen. What you see beneath the tree. Since I'm the only one in the forest, there's a good amount of silence. The only thing that I can hear is the flowing water, chirping of the birds, and the noise of some species. These are the kind of sounds that I expect when I'm in the wild, all alone. Guys, on a strict note, please do not throw like this. Now, I'll have to pick all this and return. If I do not pick this, what really happens is the animals will come feed on this, and they take this, they'll spread all across the forest. So please do not throw this. I found this stream, but not sure the way to the waterfall. The walk through the rocky terrain and boulders towards the cascading waterfall, which was truly adventurous and thrilling experience for me. It's definitely a dense forest. That's the waterfall. The waterfall is surrounded by mountain ranges, so the waterfall looks elegant from the distance with the greenery.
You gotta be very, very careful with this. Very slippery, and to reach here, I had to do some rock climbing. This is a crazy waterfall.
This beautiful waterfall flows down at a height of 300 feet while creating a luxurious view through a soul step. After reaching the waterfall, I encountered a massive splash. You gotta be cautious if you're carrying any electronic gadgets.